In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to a Canva video. Head to Canva, create your video as I showed you in earlier. I'm going to go through this another time simply. All you have to do is drag this time lapse right here, click on the text you would like to change it, double click on it to change the components on something else, drag and click to make it bigger or smaller. But now let's jump into the tutorial. To actually add music, you will have to head to the upload section. Here, you're going to either record yourself, or basically you can either do something like this. I'm gonna allow microphone. I'm gonna, for example, share this screen. And I'm gonna hit record and use it. Or let's exit the studio right here. Or we can add a new tab. For example, go to YouTube, find the music you'd like, and then hit to YouTube MP3 downloader. I'm gonna use this website called youtubemp3.cc. Here, I'm gonna head for no copyright music. And then choose music by copying the link on the top corner. Go here, paste the music, and I don't want to download the extension, and click on download MP3. It's gonna open some ads, ignore it, but as you can see, our download did actually start. Go back to Canva, drag here and click on it, and our music is being uploaded simply. Now, all we have to do is simply head back here, and we are gonna upload this to our video. It's gonna be a simple and straightforward process, but after you check that your video is actually right, you can go ahead and drag this right here. As you can see, I dropped my music right there, and it's uploading, and I'll be right back in a second. Note one thing, that you can click and drag on your music wherever you would like it. After this, you will wait a couple of seconds for the video to be actually rendered. And then click on the top right corner, click on the download, click on download right here, and you'll be good to go. Your download should start successfully if you follow the steps correctly. Share, download as I said, and the download link. Wait for the download link to be generated. And after the download link will be generated, you will find your download by clicking Ctrl G or heading to the top right corner, finding your downloads. And that will basically be it for today's video, guys. Thanks.